How to add Gabre lighting to your render project. Let's start by doing Shift A and adding a light. You can add any light source you want, but I will be using a spot for this project. Now position the light wherever you want. With the light selected, go to the Constraints tab, then add a track to constraint. Now click the teardropper icon, then select the object you want the light to shine on. Then go into the render preview mode here. With the light selected, go to the light properties and adjust the lighting settings to your liking. Now let's go into material preview mode and then click Shift A and add a cube. Reposition and resize the cube to make it cover your whole project like so. With the cube selected, go to the Shading tab, click New, and then delete the Principled BSDF node. Now do Shift A and add a Principled Volume node. Then connect the volume of the Principled Volume node to the volume of the Material Output node like so. Now decrease the density to something between 0.13 to 0.05. Then go back to the Layout tab. It should look something like this when you go into rendered preview mode. Now you can adjust the light settings and the light properties to your liking. Like and subscribe for more short tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.